why Azure Storage Explorer tool is recommended when uploading files from our computer. For example, you are involved in a migration process. You have a database with you in your local SQL database. And from this SQL database, you got one backpack file, okay? Something like this. You just generated one backpack file from this database this way. Now, there are multiple options to bring this backpack file to our ADLS, data lake storage. And one preferred method is Azure Storage Explorer tool. That's a preferred method. So here we go. Why? When to use which? There are different methods, and preferred method is to make use of Explorer tool. Question: why? Why not browser? Why not some other third-party tool? Very simple and straight. Let's launch Storage Explorer tool. Answer is in our process of uploading itself. Remember, we are data engineers, or we are database consultants, or big data architects, and we need to think about security as well as optimization. I mean, we should look for faster uploads, at the same time more secured uploads. Secured means here encrypted uploads. The main beauty of Storage Explorer tool, when uploading files to a standard storage account or data lake storage account, is this automated encryption process. Let me show you practically. So let me just launch the Explorer tool first. This tool is comparatively faster. When you compare with browser uploads, tool is faster. Number two, it is more secure. Let me show you here. Go to your account, whatever account you are using, go to that respective account, your subscription and the storage account. I am using data lake storage, which means comparatively faster, right? HNS property, hierarchical namespace enabled. To save time, I already have a container with me. Are we clear so far till here, please? Explorer tool, storage account, container. Are we clear so far, please? Last week, Thursday's class, Thursday's concept. Please.
Yes, sir.
Are we clear? Others?
Yes.
Yep. Others, please. Aparna, Divya, Erika, Gangadhar, Kushlesh, please shake your mic. Samir,
Yes, sir.
Srinivas, Vaishnavi, please shake it. Olu, Nidhi, Muhammad, please shake
Yes,
your mic, please.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Now, what's the question again? You remember last week classes I was giving these notes to you, right? On 8th of Feb, you got these notes. And I was mentioning Storage Explorer is perfect choice for upload. Why? Let's apply Friday's class. Thursday, we are talking about Explorer tool, right? Come on, what we are learning on Friday's class? Do you remember, please? Last week, Friday, what we are learning? What are the 4 items? Access key,
Upload files.
access key, SAS key, right? We'll stop there now. SAS key. We are stopping there, okay? We're stopping there. SAS key. Let's see. I upload the file. See the magic here. Upload. As mentioned earlier, we'll be discussing about architecture part separately, okay? Leave it to me. This architecture part will take it mostly by second half of tomorrow's class. After we learn Azure tables, etc. one by one as per our curriculum. For now, upload. Click upload. I think I mailed you one Word document over the weekend, right? For architecture to read it in advance. Yes, I think so. I mailed you one Word document, I think, right? For architecture. I asked you to read it during your free time. Yes. You remember? Yep, I remember. No? I'll resend it again today, okay? During your free time, please go through it. We need to practice it. Yeah.
I think it has been sent Friday.
Yes, it has been sent, but I couldn't find response. I couldn't hear others, saying yes. So no problem. I'll resend it again. Please go through it.
Yeah, maybe I missed it. Yeah, can you send? Yeah, can you send it?
Surely. Yeah. I'll do it today, okay? But it's required. Please go through it in next couple of days' time. It's bit theory part. Please go through them. Click upload automatically. See here. This is what we learnt in Friday's class, right? You remember now? SAS. So one SAS key is auto-generated. That SAS key is used for encrypting the content. This kind of beautiful secured encryption is not possible in the browser. When you upload a content through a browser, SAS key will not be auto-generated. So we need to depend on our website and browser encryptions only. If it is tool, Microsoft will take care of encryption by using an auto-generated SAS key. Are we getting it, please, everyone? I'll wait, please.
Yeah, yes, sir. Okay.
Backpack file ready. Go to container, and this is the backpack file that got uploaded just. Yes. Are we getting it, please? I'll wait. Out of 2 methods, go for the second method, Explorer tool. Are we getting it, please? We'll continue.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Fine. Once we upload, next step, a part of our migrations will continue our notes now. Let's continue our notes simplified.